Just as the Fiero, guys. Got some cleaning up to do, but honestly, hopefully it's not too rushed out. Hopefully. I'm just gonna clean it up. Just gonna clean it up and just get some fresh ideas for it. The interiors. Whew. Interior is trash. Taking off all the panels. I'm gonna clean out the interior. I had some SS parts from my 06 Monte Carlo SS. I wonder if those can fit. I'd like to change out the steering column or the steering wheel and do some editing. But yeah, this one has power windows. I have about 3 of them. Got some trees and stuff growing in it. I'm gonna clean it out. So yeah.